In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in Glide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your data into a clean, tappable list that looks great and works smoothly inside your app. First, head over to the Glide website and sign in to your account. This puts you on your dashboard where all your projects live. Make sure you're signed in to the same workspace where your project is stored so you can access the correct app without any confusion. Next, open the project you want to edit. From your dashboard, select the app you're working on, and Glide will load the builder. Give it a moment to sync your data sources and components. If you haven't opened the project in a while, this quick check helps ensure everything is up to date before you start building. Now, look for the add icon inside the builder and choose Custom Screen. A custom screen gives you full control over what appears on that page, rather than using a preset layout. It's a great option when you want flexibility for your design and content. After selecting it, you'll see an empty canvas where you can place components. On the left sidebar, choose List. This adds a list component to your custom screen. You'll immediately see a placeholder list appear, which is your cue that the component is ready to be connected. Lists are perfect for things like directories, menus, content feeds, or any collection of items you want users to browse and tap into. Next, choose a source where you want the data to come from. Glide can pull from Glide tables, Google Sheets, Airtable, and other connected sources. Pick the table or sheet that contains the items you want to display. As soon as you connect it, the list will populate with your records. You can select which fields appear as the title, image, and subtitle to make the list clear and visually appealing. If your data includes images or icons, map those to the image field so each list item stands out. Keep your title short and descriptive, and make sure the underlying data is clean and consistent for the best results. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This pushes your changes live, so your users can see the new list. If you make adjustments later, just publish again to update your app. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.